Hey everybody, Larry Sable from sableweld.com. I have a 1000 Renegade here, and I want to show my new floorboards and rear racks I'm doing for them now. The floorboards will fit pretty much any Renegade out there, and when I supply them, I supply all the bolts, washers, everything to put it on. You use your factory bolts for up the top, and down bottom I give you your own bolts and washers with Guylon nuts so they don't come loose. And any set you order, I'll powder coat the foot pegs any color you want, no extra charge. I'll take you around to the other side here. And there's your driver's side, and I mean, they fit nice. They don't take long at all to put in, I'm gonna tell you that right now. Simple hand tools and you're good to go. But this is the new Renegade rear racks coming out here soon. They're on my eBay page coming up, and they'll be on sableweld.com. And here is my Renegade rear rack. It's made out of 1/4 inch carbon steel and powder coated. This is a high durable wrinkle black that I have on here, and it's beautiful. And all you got to do is take your old bolts out, and I supply the 4 bolts, and bolt it up, and you're riding in about 5 minutes. And when I made this, I wanted something with a lot of tie down points to it, so you can strap about anything you want on it. And I'm also going to make some cooler mounts to fit Yetis and Ozark Trail coolers to fit the rear rack. But this is also on my eBay page, and it'll be sableweld.com. But please check it out, and free shipping on everything we do. All right, y'all have a good day now.